After decades in the garden, I've learned the best secret is often the simplest. Your kitchen scraps and a bit of cardboard are the most powerful fertilizers you'll ever use. Forget expensive products. Real garden magic starts with what you already have. Every apple core, carrot peeling, and coffee ground you toss away could be the start of rich, living soil. This isn't just about saving money, it's about working with nature's cycles, feeding the earth that feeds us. Stop seeing scraps as waste, see them as ingredients for life. By returning these to the soil, you nurture an underground world that powers your garden. No fancy equipment needed, just a small change in routine and a willingness to see treasure in your trash. Let's begin this journey and unlock the hidden wealth beneath your feet. The real heroes of your garden are earthworms, nature's tireless cultivators. Their presence signals healthy, thriving soil. As they tunnel, they aerate the earth, letting roots breathe and water soak deep. Earthworms eat your buried scraps, turning them into nutrient-rich castings, natural fertilizer packed with everything plants crave. Their constant movement mixes and enriches the soil, building structure and resilience. They drag organic matter down, blending layers and creating a stable home for plant roots. A garden full of worms largely takes care of itself. By feeding them, you're helping nature do its best work. Encourage earthworms and your garden will flourish with less effort. Let's see how to serve up their favorite meal. To attract earthworms, offer them a balanced diet of greens and browns. Greens are moist kitchen scraps, vegetable peelings, fruit cores, coffee grounds, tea bags. Browns are carbon-rich materials like plain cardboard, egg cartons, or toilet paper tubes. The right mix prevents smells and creates air pockets, making a perfect worm habitat. Chop scraps for faster breakdown, tear or soak cardboard to soften it. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods. Stick to plant-based waste. Crushed eggshells add calcium, but keep it simple. If it grew in the ground, it can go back in. Preparing this mix is easy and turns your trash into a feast for worms. This simple recipe is the foundation of living, fertile soil. With the right ingredients, you're ready to feed your garden. Let's get started. Feeding your garden is easy, no compost bin required. Dig a hole or trench about a spade's depth where you want better soil. Add a layer of shredded, damp cardboard, then your chopped kitchen scraps. Aim for roughly half and half, but don't stress about perfection. Cover everything with soil to keep out pests and smells. Pat it down gently. That's it. You've just set up a banquet for earthworms and microbes. Mark the spot if you like, or simply let nature take over. This method works anywhere. Vegetable beds, around fruit bushes, or new lawns. Now, let the underground magic begin. Once buried, your scraps spark a hidden world of activity. Moisture and scent attract bacteria, fungi, and soon earthworms. Worms migrate in, feasting and transforming waste into rich castings. Their movement mixes nutrients into the soil, spreading fertility. Over weeks, your buried scraps become a hub of life. Worms, microbes, and more. After a few months, you'll find dark, crumbly, living soil where waste once was. This is humus, the foundation of a healthy garden. Your simple act has created a pocket of pure fertility. The proof is in the thriving life beneath your feet. The results soon show above ground. Plants grow stronger, greener, and more resilient. Roots spread easily through loose, fertile soil, finding water and nutrients. You'll water less as organic matter holds moisture for longer. Healthier plants mean fewer pests and less need for chemicals. You'll save money by skipping store-bought compost and fertilizers. By recycling your own waste, you close the loop and empower your garden. This simple habit connects you to nature's cycles and builds lasting fertility. Start today, save your scraps, break down cardboard, and feed your soil. You'll grow a garden that's beautiful, healthy, and alive from root to leaf. This is the gardener's true secret, free, simple, and yours to share.